Should I invest in Lisk cryptocurrency? Should I buy LSK today? Do you also have these questions in your mind? Then you're at the right place. Today we'll be going through Lisk, so stay tuned and watch till the end to know more. Hey folks, welcome back to another fascinating episode of Crypto Wizard. In today's video, we'll be talking about Lisk. We will explore the reason on why or why not Lisk is a good investment. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's dive in. Various platforms allow developers to develop decentralized apps, and Lisk is one of them. It was issued back in 2016, and the blockchain is a branch of crypto generated by the same organization in 2014. Technically, both are JavaScript-based blockchains from the very creators, but Lisk has a few upgrades over the original one. So, shall we look at the current price of Lisk? When making this video, the Lisk price is $2.64, with a 24-hour trading volume of $16,614,190. LSK price has decreased 6.9% in the last 24 hours. It has a circulating flow supply of 140 million LSK coins. If you're contemplating buying or selling Lisk, Binance is presently the most active exchange. Also, by the way, you know that the prices of cryptocurrency frequently changes, so by the time you watch this video, it might have switched to a whole new value. Lisk intends to make blockchain technology more available with an SDK written in JavaScript, focusing on user experience, developer support, in-depth documentation, and the Lisk Academy. The Lisk system is managed using a highly efficient Delegated Proof of Stake consensus model secured by democratically elected delegates. Lisk is an open-source blockchain platform powered by Lisk tokens that allows users to develop code decentralized applications in the JavaScript programming language. Amidst Lisk, developers can create applications on their sidechains linked to the Lisk network and their custom token. In that sense, Lisk is similar to the Ethereum blockchain. However, the Lisk platform hasn't been built to create intelligent contracts, but to develop various apps and functionalities using the Lisk App SDK framework. These were the additional points of LSK. It has some advantages over other cryptocurrencies, so now let's look at its worth and price predictions. According to the Wallet Investor Forecast System, LSK is an excellent long-term investment. If you're looking for virtual currencies with good returns, LSK can be a profitable investment option. Lisk price was equal to $2.645 on the 18th of June 2021. If you buy Lisk for $100 today, you'll get a total of 37.810 LSK. Based on Wallet Investor's forecast, a long-term increase is expected. The price prognosis for the 13th of June 2026 is $6.477 with a 5-year investment. The revenue is expected to increase around 144.88%, so your current $100 investment may be up to $244.88 in 2026.
Unbelievable. This is unbelievable.
However, Gov Capital has something else to say. According to them, Lisk is not suited for investing. Let's see why. According to Gov Capital, the asset's future price is predicted at $0.8673 or 68.598% after a year, according to the prediction system. This indicates that if you invested $100 now, your current investment might be worth $31.402 on the 18th of June 2022, Saturday. This suggests that this asset is not suited as a new addition to your portfolio, as trading in bear markets, especially for less experienced traders, is always harder.
You'd better be right about this.
The coin appeared on the market on the 6th of April 2016 with a price of a little over $2. The shock came 2 days later when the value tripled, approaching almost $7 before going down below the $1 mark. The following month, another unexpected spike of $3.41 was followed by another dip under $1. Over the next year, the price fluctuated around 20 cents and 30 cents, with a slight dip of approximately 15 cents. Finally, a little over a year after its release, it managed to reach a price of $34.92, or its all-time high. However, the price didn't jump overnight, and it had a pretty bumpy ride over 6 months. A significant drop resulted in an enormous spike, and by the beginning of February 2018, LSK was worth $14.81. The following week, the coin rose above the $30 mark, touching $31.70. and went back downhill to $7.50. The last notable increase in value was at the beginning of May 2018 when LSK was worth $14.16. From that time on, the price began on a slow decline streak before it began to settle down around $1. For the past 2 years, the price has been going up and down slightly, with minimal peaks and dips where we barely see it going over $2 and going as low as 50 cents. LSK's price now is $1.26. As you can see, the price doesn't serve the usual bull runs as some of the different coins do, indicating that the predictions can be slightly obscured. Lisk is one of the coins that didn't reflect some of the bigger coins, so in return, it means that the graph is slightly different. The primary thing to examine is, will the coin survive till 2025? When it gets to that, it can fit both directions. While it's not the chief nor the last dApps platform, there are unquestionably other more conventional ones out beyond. Let's take into consideration that Lisk will survive the next 5 years, so what will it suggest for the value? Some say or expect that the price will touch over $100 by 2025. As much as we'd like to recognize Lisk getting that price, it isn't compelling. We predict that the value will keep this pace steadily for a while. Then there will be a few more notable spikes followed by falls. In other words, if the price succeeds to go up drastically, once it goes under, it should be more expensive. Let's see an example, and if we see a spike this year, then the price would be about $1 to $2 higher than the one we have now. However, by 2025, we suspect that there will be more than 2 increases, so in the most likely situation, you should see it at a price of about $5. If things don't go the way we anticipate, and there is just one increase, the value would be around $3 by 2025. There is a slim possibility that the value doesn't spike, implying that it will remain constant for the next many years. If that happens, we believe that Lisk may not survive till the end of 2025. By now, you must be questioning, should I invest in Lisk? We would prefer different cryptocurrencies. While Lisk is not something that might be determined tomorrow or next week, the possibility exists. On top of that, the value is not something that will surge up, meaning that you may not make as much of a profit as you would want in the long run. If you now have Lisk in your free wallet, our recommendation would be to try and sell it. However, please wait for a higher price than the one you purchased and replace it with a coin with more potential. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice per se. All the financial decisions should be made after doing your own wide spectrum research. Do conduct your due diligence and discussions with your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope this session was informative. What do you think about investing in LSK? Do you think it's worth it to go about investing in it? Do let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas.